In this video, I will show you how to find your Gmail password. So if you have forgotten your password and you want to see if you can find out what your password is before trying to recover your account, then make sure to follow along and watch this full video to learn a couple of different ways on how you can find your Gmail password. And if this video does help you out today, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe for more simple Gmail and tech-based tutorials. Now, there's two methods you can use to try and find your password. If you are using Google Chrome, what you can do is if you come up to the top right hand corner of Chrome, click onto the three dots and hover over the passwords and autofill option. From here, what you want to do on the submenu is click onto Google Password Manager. Now, there's a chance you would have saved your passwords into the Google Chrome Password Manager. So what you can do is search your passwords at the top. Of course, Gmail is part of Google. So if you just type Google into the search box, you should see google.com come up. Give it a click and this is going to show you your username, and if you do have your password saved, you can view it by clicking the eye icon here. If you do have multiple Google accounts, what you can do is just scroll through on the password manager, come down to G, and of course click onto google.com, and it's going to show you all your different Google accounts if you do have them saved to your password manager, which is how you will be able to find your Gmail password. So that is how to find Gmail password. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.